we are gathered here to take part in the Center for Entrepreneurship event at the College of Business Administration. We have. I started again.
Yeah, you want to repeat the thing أول مرة.
عادي خليها تكمل أنا قطع.
Okay. Continue, doctor. Yeah, continue.
College of Business Administration Center for Entrepreneurship has organized this event for all the colleges in the university. This event is Entrepreneurship Week. It's like a startup college for developing a business proposal. And this is targeted to all the aspiring entrepreneurs from this university. That's why it's open to all the colleges at the university. This is a 5 days event starting from 13th of December until 17th December. On the first day we had around 250 students, all representing different colleges from the university. And then we had a small workshop on business plan development. And finally, on the second day, they made their presentations and we chose like 12 groups. Those 12 groups who were the winners, they were given some kind of financial reward. And we are doing this in cooperation with Ruwaad. Actually, Ruwaad establishment is sponsoring the whole event for all the 5 days. So Ruwaad has given them 2,000 dirham as an initial or preliminary prize to develop their business idea. And now for the rest of the 3 days, these students are using that money plus they are developing their business plan. And finally on Thursday, we are going to choose 3 best winning groups, and they will be receiving 10,000, 8,000 and 6,000 of cash dirhams respectively. Then Ruwaad has other incentives for the winning groups as well, like they will be sponsored by Ruwaad's incubator for a year. I think this is a very good opportunity for all the business students especially, and from students from other colleges at the University of Sharjah. I really want to thank College of Business Administration for giving us this very nice hands-on activity and opportunity to our students to develop their ideas into a reality. We know we are teaching them to be entrepreneurs, but we are not giving them any hands-on activity how to be entrepreneurs. With this kind of activity, they are using the learning that we have taught them into practice, and they're coming up with very nice business ideas. Most of the business ideas are belonging to their daily needs, and they are creating solutions for those needs, and finally they will come up with small companies for those kinds of products. So these students, in a year's time, we are seeing them in the market with their products